Welcome to Mr. TechFox again. Now I'm going to guide you how to turn on two-step verification from a Chrome browser on a PC. That's pretty simple, but before doing that, I'm requesting you to subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit that like button. First of all, I'm gonna open the browser from my PC, and here I am selecting a profile. Then I need to type on the address bar facebook.com. After typing it, an interface will come. Then we need to click on this icon called account. After clicking here, if we see the options, here we will see an option called settings and privacy. If I click here, then another option will come called settings. After clicking on that, there are many options will come again. And now we need to click on this box. This is a full box with many options. And if I click on this, then here we can see that an option called password and security. We need to click on here. After clicking here, the option will come to turn on the two-step authentication. We need to click on this option. Then the Facebook authority can ask you for verification. If they ask, then verify your ID with the code they send to your number. Here I am verifying my own number, and the Facebook authority sent me a code in my WhatsApp account. I need to enter it here. The code was 730874. Then we need to click on continue button. After verifying the account, we need to select this option called Facebook. Then we can select authentication app or text message. Authentication app is a secured way to protect our account, and they will provide a security token to save it on our authenticator app. And in the second option, we need to enter a number so that they can send a message with the verification code each time we try to log in. First of all, I'll show you how we can implement the text message option. So we need to select it and we need to click on next button. Then we need to select a number. If we haven't added any number to our account, we need to add it from this section. As I already added a number, then I selected it and clicking in the next button. Now they are sending me a code again to my number. The code is 463902. Alright. So I need to retype my password now. So I am typing my password here. And now we can see that two-factor authentication is on now. So this is the first step. Now we'll follow the second step. Okay. So we are clicking here again and selecting Facebook. So I'm clicking on here. So now they are providing a security key to put in our authenticator app. We need to copy it by clicking on here. Then we need to paste it on our authenticator app. So now we need to use this code to get a verification code for each time. And for this, we need to download an app from Google Play Store called Google Authenticator. So I'm going in the Google Play Store and searching Google Authenticator. And this is the app. We need to open the app and here we need to enter that code. So now if I click on this for a long time, the code will be copied, or we can use it on our PC also. So I'm clicking on next here and pasting the code 315977. And if I click on next button, then we can see that two-factor authentication is on. So this is the way how we can implement the two-step authentication to our Facebook account. So that's all about today's video. I think this video will help you a lot. Thank you for watching.